In this week's parsha, we learn the laws of karbanos, the laws of sacrifices. And the pasuk says, Adam ki yakriv michem karban min habehima. That if a person brings a karban, if he brings a sacrifice from the animals. The Tiferes Shlomo has an interesting read on this pasuk. He says, actually, the pasuk is coming to teach you something about how to become close to Hashem. Adam ki yakriv. When a person wants to become close, min habehima. Learn a lesson from the animals that we bring as karbanos. What's the lesson that we can learn? Here you have an animal, a completely mundane thing. But then you take this animal and you take it from the most mundane animal, an animal that could be running out in the wild, could be running around in a field, and you just say, this is a karban. Now that it's a karban, it's the most holy of things. It's being used as part of a divine service. So just merely by saying a few words, just merely by deciding that this animal is not going to be used to plow my field, it's going to be used as brought as a karban, you take it from being the most mundane to being the most holy. If we could do that to animals, how much more with ourselves? We can use our life for mundane things, we can busy ourselves with mundane things, or we can stop and take the time and elevate ourselves and make ourselves holy. If an animal could become holy, we could become 10, 20, 100 times, 1,000,000 times more holy than an animal. But we have to stop and make that decision. We have to make that decision that we are become holy. Once we make that decision, once we dedicate our lives to holy things instead of mundane things, then we will have the closest connection to Hashem that is possible. Have a great, great Shabbos.